How to make a Paracord key fob, the Paracord Cube. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today we're going to use this yellow, green, blue and red Paracord 550, this keyring, and before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful thin Paracord bracelet, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So let's start. First, we need to gut our paracord, so we'll cut off the ends and pull out the inner strands of our Paracord 550. Now we're gonna melt the ends. Now we're gonna take our blue, the left side, and we're gonna pass it on top of those two cords. Now take the right side blue, cross it to the other side on top of the cords. Do the same with the green one, from the left to the right, and with the right, from the right to the left. Now from here we're gonna take our red, and because the first cord is this one, we're gonna pass the red or place the red on top of that cord. Then we're gonna pull it under this one here, then on top of the green and under this one and through. Now with the left strand of red, we're gonna return it. So we're gonna place it on top of this one here. So on top, then under this one, on top of this, and under this one here, the last one of the blue. Now we're gonna do the same with the yellow. So on top of the first blue, then under the second blue, on top of the first green and under the second green. Now from here we're gonna return with the left side yellow. So on top of the first green, under the second green, on top of this blue paracord and under this one. Now we're gonna tie it. The most important thing here with this project is to take your time and create the perfect shape of a cube, almost like I have here. Now when we've done this, we're gonna turn around our project and proceed with this side. But first we're gonna take the keyring and we're gonna insert it here on this left strand, so through. And now we're gonna start with the second set of knots. So with the yellow on top of those two cords to the right side, with the top side yellow from the right side to the left side, like so. Now with the left side red from the left to the right, and with the right side red or a top side red from the right side to the left side. I'm gonna place it like this so you can clearly see. Now from here we're gonna take our bottom green and we're gonna place it on top of this yellow one and under this second yellow here, so on top of this one, under this one. From here we're gonna place our green on top of this red and under the last red. Now with the top side green, we're gonna place it on top of the first red, under this second red, on top of the first yellow and under the second yellow. Now we're gonna take the bottom blue and we're gonna pass it or place it on top of the first yellow, under this second one, then on top of the first red and under the last red. Now we're gonna take the top blue and we're gonna pass it or place it on top of the first red, under the second red, now on top of the first yellow and under the second yellow. So as you can see, we almost finished the second one. We need to tie it a bit more to get the cube shape. And now the third step, we're gonna take the right side yellow and place it on top of our cube. Let me just make it wider. Now with the left side yellow from the left to the right, and again on top of the cube. Now with the right side red from the right side to the left side, and with the left side red from the left side to the right side. Now from here we're gonna take the upper side green and we're gonna pass it from the top on top of the first red, under the second red, on top of the first yellow from the top, and then under the last yellow, like so. Now with the bottom green, we're gonna place it on top of the first yellow, under the second one, on top of the first red, under the second one. Now with the top blue, we're gonna place it on top of the first red, under the second red, on top of the first yellow, and under the second yellow. Now with the bottom blue, we're gonna take it place it on top of the first yellow, under the second yellow, on top of the first red, under the second red. And now we're gonna tie it. And we're gonna proceed. So when you reach the desired size of your cube, we're gonna finish it by cutting off the excess of cord and melt it down. So here we are, our cube is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!